Namaste. I welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 26th June 2021. First of all, I would like to invite Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज आषाढ़ माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की द्वितीय तिथि है। मासिक गणेश चतुर्थी का व्रत कल अर्थात रविवार को है। आज का नक्षत्र उत्तराषाढ़ा। आज का योग इंद्र है। प्रविष्टे की यदि बात करें तो सौर आषाढ़ माह के 12 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह जिलकाद की आज 14वीं तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now let's start the prayer. I request all of you to join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
All classes be ready for prayer.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing.
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ Be ready for National Anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Now it's the time to know some mathematical facts. So for that I would like to invite Sunidhi of class 9th. Namaste Sunidhi.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, dear parents, and my dear friends. I am Sunidhi, student of class 9th from St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Today I am going to share some fun facts on mathematics. Maths is cool too, even though numbers can be scary sometimes. But if learned properly and with fun, they can be pretty amazing and cool. To make our point, let's see few interesting facts about mathematics. The growth of our mathematical knowledge. In 1900, all the world's mathematical knowledge could be written in 80 books. Today, it would fill more than 1 lakh books. That's all, folks. Magical digit. The number 9 is believed to be a magical number with certain very interesting properties. This is because if you multiply a number with 9 and add all the digits of the resulting number, the sum would always come out to be 9. 0 is not there in Roman numerals. Did you know that one of the most important numbers, 0, is not represented in the Roman numerals? Derived from the Arabic word sirf, it is known from a variety of names like not, zip, nil, dreadfully long division, and other mind-boggling applications of maths comes in when the number 1 is divided by 9,98,101. The answer would give you a complete sequence from 000 to 999 in order. Google is all about mathematics. The lifeline of today's time, Google, derives its name from the word gogol, a mathematical term for the number 1, followed by 100 zeros which reflect infinite amount of search on the internet. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you Sunidhi. Now I would like to invite Vanshika of class 10th to throw some light on the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Namaste Vanshika.
Namaste. I, Vanshika of class 10th A, is going to tell you about International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking takes place on 26 June annually. This day was created by United Nations General Assembly to help to create society free of illegal drugs and drug abuse. This day gives awareness of two important world issues: World Drug Day and Blue Heart Campaign against human trafficking. According to the UN Office of Drug and Crime, nearly 200 million people are using illicit drugs worldwide. It is a worldwide despair because it is directly or indirectly related to crime, corruption, and international terrorism. This day helps us to focus on this social problem. According to UN report, around 1 million heroin addicts are registered in India, and unofficially there are as many as 5 million. Schools, families, relatives, religious organizations, and civil societies can help to get rid of drug abuse. Media can help in giving awareness about dangers of narcotics. Schools and colleges can aware youth by conducting special programs providing awareness on drug abuse. If we will not reduce the demand for illicit drugs, we can never fully tackle cultivation, production, or trafficking. To tackle the problem that illicit drugs is supported by communities, different organizations, and people from all over the world. The main principle of them is to protect the youth and to promote the welfare to humankind. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Vanshika. Now I would like to invite Rashika of class 9th to share a new word of the day. Namaste, Rashika.
Namaste, I am Rashika of 9th B. The new word of the day is hypothesis. Its meaning is a supposition made based on limited evidence. Its synonyms are guess, assumption, thesis, presumption, theory, belief, premise. Its antonyms are fact, evidence, reality, proof. Example sentence is: the engineer's wrong hypothesis causes weak construction. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Rashika. Now it's the time to wish the birthday students. Today is the birthday of Aditya Singh of class 8A, Ishan Chauhan of class 7th B, and Vandit of class 2nd B. Let's wish them by singing our birthday song. I request all of you to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Our principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and parents all are giving their blessings to you. God bless you. Always stay happy and healthy. That's all in today's assembly. Stay home, stay safe, take a good care of yourself, wear a face mask and keep a proper distance. Thank you. Namaste.